model, 2014 Peugeot Boxer Relay 335L2 HDI drop-side flatbed spares or repairs. Body, white, flatbed. Mileage, 135241. Engine, 2198 cc4 HHC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: Enginge does not start and won't turnover. Engine has seized from block damage. Condition summary: bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent. Average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent. Average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: 3 former keepers, tow bar, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.